Alright, so you want to start a YouTube channel in 2025? Let me tell you the painful truth. It's not what you think. Now, when most people hear about how much money YouTubers make, they immediately think that this is some kind of get-rich-quick scheme. All you have to do is upload a couple videos and boom, you're a millionaire. The reality is, YouTube in 2025 is more competitive than ever. Millions of creators are uploading every single day and the algorithm doesn't care about your feelings. Views, they won't come overnight. Subscribers, they'll trickle in slower than you expect. And yes, sometimes you'll pour hours into a video, only to see it get 10 views. The painful truth is, YouTube is not a get-rich-quick platform. It's a grind. It tests your patience, your creativity, and your discipline. And most people quit before they even give themselves a real chance. But here's the other truth. If you can stay consistent, if you can actually enjoy creating without obsessing over numbers in the beginning, if you're willing to learn and adapt, then YouTube can change your life. 2025 is not too late, but it's definitely not easy. Now, I know what you're thinking. This guy's just trying to scare me off. Well, maybe I am. Maybe I don't want you to start a channel. Maybe YouTube isn't for everyone, but if you really want to do this, if you really want to be a content creator, then you need to understand the truth. It's gonna hurt. And by the way, I'm not some random guy on the internet. I've been a full-time YouTuber for almost 8 years now. My channel has over 1 million subscribers. And let me tell you something. It took me years to get here. There were months where I was making less than $100. I had to work a side hustle. I had to take out loans just to keep my lights on. I've put in countless hours of work, and I still feel like I'm at the beginning. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Now, if you can handle the truth, if you're not easily discouraged, 10 listen up. Here's what you need to know. First, your niche matters. Is it saturated? Is there enough demand? Can you actually make money with it? Or is it just a super competitive field where you'll be screaming into the void? Second, consistency is key. If you upload once a week, then stick to that schedule. Don't be a one-hit wonder. People need to know when to expect new content from you. Third, you must promote your channel. I don't care if you hate social media. You're going to have to promote your videos everywhere. Share them with friends, family, strangers on the internet. Post on every social media platform. Get out there and market yourself. Fourth, quality over quantity. It's better to upload one great video than 10 mediocre ones. Spend time on your thumbnails, on your titles, descriptions, on your tags. Optimize everything. Fifth, you need to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, run polls, ask for suggestions, build a community around your channel. And sixth, you need to be patient. Give it at least 6 months, maybe even a year before you see any significant growth. It takes time to build an audience, to find your style, to learn what works. Don't get discouraged by slow views or subscribers. Stay consistent, stay focused, and stay creative. I know it's hard to hear this, especially in today's instant gratification world, but the truth is, YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term investment. It takes time, effort, and dedication. But if you can handle the truth, if you can handle the grind, then maybe, just maybe you have what it takes to be a successful YouTuber. So ask yourself, do you just want quick fame, or are you ready for the long game? Because the painful truth is, YouTube only rewards those who refuse to give up. By the way, I almost forgot. Before you leave, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Turn on notifications and check out my other videos. See you next time.